Ka company permit boarding ka suka India ka North East Electricity Power Corporation ni Neepco ka terko hijai bat sngeu kut buj ban wat lat kumno ban yok Jaka nak benta ban pentrei ya ki project boarding ha kani ke jela Meghalaya. Namar kani ke jing juat tasam ke jing yakun ban yok Jaka ka Neepco ka rai ban sa nge nok shwa ban sim project a Meghalaya wala kapat syong thai ban wat dagi wegi lat krenti batamai lada don kelenti. Ha ka jing sia ka Neepco ka simti ban tei yak project boarding ka maupu electricity project ni ka berai ka teng hadin kum ka umyam hydroelectricity project nei ka hab ban skandan den no nama baka juat pelat ban yok Jaka nama ba ha ni ke jela Meghalaya ya ki Jaka la long trai de ki riu simet ha ka ba ka soka jela kamdon Jaka lai no tangkat to kat ni ki Jaka sa ka wei pat kadau kalong ba ka Neepco kampat yok ya ka forest clearan halo kani Executive Director ke Neepco Jayanta Sharma habakren ha kesengi balang ke Sipotrik no pra ajar pesan ha umrang su Assam. Ula ong bawat la ke Neepco ke Semjing ban yok Jaka ha Meghalaya ban pentrei yagi projek hanrai kan yai persyang ban tau ya kilat krenti ban pentrei yagi projek boarding ha Meghalaya ha kesengi ban sawan. Ha kawi kaliang Executive Director wa thu ba kapung Kupli ke batan boarding ke Neepco ka ajing mentoy ya baro aliang ke Meghalaya bat Assam namar bakadon hapdeng gini ki atri ki jela raya thu ba nakajing penmi boarding ke Neepco nakani kapung la di boarding khat persen sya ki jela badon ka project kat kum kendon blabu ke sukar India handai namar bakani ka wa ka haplang na Meghalaya bat Assam la Assam ya kani ka khat persen ma 100% ka boarding ka Kupli hydroelectricity project ka penmi ding kumba aspa nyopusan megawatt bat kadai kawai ke project ka Neepco ke bahek bah kani ke than dalam ingi ka India bat kalalong ro kum ke Jaka jengok kai ke bapau nam ha kadai ke than umrang su di mahasa ka Assam ke bayi srejim kum kapung umya ya ke Kupli hydroelectricity project labu manungrim ka Prime Minister barim ka India ka lead Indira Gandhi hau ya yong Syahja Khnai spa nyo pun riu. Haduk menta ka jing penmi boarding ke Neepco ka kot sika aja son ponyo mi ka wat barok ka wei ki project jongka Naduh ki ba penmi na ka wa na ka kas bar kumju na ka solar energy bat sakumba Syahja sau spa a pun riu mi ka wat ki de project ki bidang yaj menta. Executive Director ya thu ba Naduh ba Khang ka National Green Tribunal ni NGT ya ka jingti Dewiong thleu Khnai na ki bentar ki bahap ha Meghalaya kapung Kupli ka kamduna ke jing jabo bat ke jinglong asid bat kelala ban penmi ding ru kumba kadai ban long om tang kata ka ajing im biang ru ya gida do wa na ke jing Khuid jong kapung menta kani kapung Kupli ke bapen ya khlat ya ke Meghalaya bat ka Assam ka kelalong ru kum ke Jaka jengok kai ke bapau nam ba namal ba baro al yang kata na Meghalaya bat Assam kiyo ban pelong kum ke Jaka jengok kai ban kring ya gibreu bat kani kala aikam ya gibreu bat kentiu ya kayo kekot na kaliang ka Meghalaya ka hab akatan safai ka West Janja Hills kat banda Sepang Assam ka hab umrang su ka hima dima hasa ha kate ki Jaka la pelong ru ya ka Kupli festival sa kebenta ka hab Meghalaya kat ba sa kebenta ka hab sa Assam pat kiju pelong ya ka Amur Falcon Festival.
Which will be coming at 17:30 hours. That machine also we are operating from this power station, right from that screen. We are exporting. These are the 5 feeders. We are for evacuating. Kupli 2, Clay 1, Kupli 1, and Umrangsu line. So if you can see this negative means we are exporting power from Kupli power station. Yeah, was the same. We are running peak time. Again after around running for 1 unit we are running continuously. 1 unit we are running for 4 hours. After that we will be doing again tomorrow morning again. And during monsoon period to throughout 24 hours continuously we are running the process.
Is there any challenges during this process that we face technically?
No, actually we are doing it on regular basis. And these are renovated machines right now. Actually after 35 to 40 years as per norms, we have to go for renovation. And as you know, this is the first project of this team. So
since we are here at Kupli project, as we have said, we have 6 hydro projects and 3 under construction. But since we are at Kupli, I would like to say some benefits imported from this project. Like from Lanka Garampani road to Kupli powerhouse, it is around 7 kilometers of length. There is a norm that we have to share 12% of power generated from these projects to the home state. So in this case, there are two states, na? Meghalaya, because Kupli is a boundary river, na? Meghalaya and Assam, and around 50% of reservoir falls in the Meghalaya. So we provide 6% fee power to the Meghalaya and 6% to the Assam. Not assist them. We ourselves want to construct PSP projects there. Like this project, we would also like to construct project in Meghalaya. So we are exploring. So one such project is 800 megawatt Wahumiyam project, but we are exploring because land is a little bit constrained in Meghalaya. So we are exploring. Kupli project is 275 megawatt, and this is the capacity.
PSP.
But we are exploring because it is having two reservoirs. We have both reservoirs you have seen, na? One Kupli reservoir, one Umrang reservoir. So since two reservoirs already exist, we are planning. We are actually we are also making this pre-feasibility report if any PSP is possible in between these two reservoirs. So it is in PFR stage now. Just 300. It will be around 320 megawatt, but it will be clear whether it is commercially possible or not after this feasibility report, we can say. But we are exploring the possibility, and some survey investigations we have already conducted in this aspect. So the first powerhouse was constructed in 1984. So it was okay then. But from 2006 onwards, we have noticed the reservoir water has turned acidic, and this acidity has causing damage to the underwater parts, turbine underwater parts. So we are taking after noticing, we are taking all the precautions possible because it is a unique thing in India, acidity. So after that, we are taking precautions like stainless steel lining to the underwater parts because stainless steel is resistant to the acidity. But I forgot what was the exact question.
Yes, sir. Actually, his question was that some illegal red hole mining has been closed. Actually, as sir was telling, earlier actually the acidity level of the reservoir was too high. We found it pH value, it's around 3 to 3.5. It's too acidic. Now after closing or after taking all the initiative from Neepco and Meghalaya government also, the acidity level has just improved. Now it's not that acidic. Now around 5 or 5.5. Some vegetations and some fishes are also now available. It has been just improved. At the same time, as I was telling, we have taken all precautionary measures in our machines with all whatever machine parts, all turbine parts, whatever it comes along with comes in contact with the water, we have replaced with stainless steel. Now it's good enough. Safety we have measured, we have taken good enough. And at the same time, as you were telling, after closing of this illegal mining, this acidity level also has improved. Thank you.
Okay, so
acidity level desirable is around 7, so it has gone down to 3.8, but now improving to 5, around 5. This was the question.
Yes, sir.
Neepco, we have 3 gas projects around 525 megawatt. Apart from that, all are clean energy. Because you can term as Neepco green energy company. Literally, you can term Neepco as a green energy because we are taking all hydro projects, maybe PSP projects,
And Bikaner also.
and these solar projects. So all are green projects. So Neepco is right in the direction.
According to you saying now that Neepco will not take any more power project in Meghalaya. Can you share us why? What are the reasons for that?
No. Neepco would not take. It is not like that. Neepco has taken one project and in one of them aggressively posted manpower, do the DPR, and we got approval of the DPR, but we did not get land. You just forgot. I told land is a problem in Meghalaya because government of Meghalaya is not the owner of land. It's forest because river we construct dam and it is forest land. So Meghalaya Forest Department is having only 5 to 6% of the area of the total the state in control, but in control of Meghalaya Forest Department. So they cannot provide us land. And in our 1 million project, this local people are not ready to give part away their land. So that is why it is a problem. Otherwise, we are happy. We are eager to do projects because as I have said now, it is your project, sir, not yours only.
So
In Mafu project to land constraint because local people they are not ready to part away with their land.
So you decided to abandon this project. Is that true?
We are waiting.
We need support from you, all of you, so that in future you can just support us and help us in getting land. So we expect that from you.
Oh yeah, and is we did not get forest clearance after trying hard. Also, forest clearance is a problem.